Today, I would like to speak about small claim court. It actually is not a very complicated issue, but if you don't know how to do it, most probably it will take you more time and will be more complicated. So there are a few rules. The first rule, that a small claim court is not really a court. It's just part of a Beit Mishpat HaShalom, which is the first instance, is the first court, okay? It's like the second court. So it's part of it. Second, the maximum that you can sue in this court is 34,000 shekels. As for today, I would say up to January 2016. It keeps being updated all the time. That's the maximum. You have to include in this amount everything. Nothing is to be excluded. So if you have 34,000 shekels damage and you have expenses, whatever more, you cannot go to small claim court. There are fees. It's not a free ride, but the fees are very small. 1% of the claim of the lawsuit, no less than 50 shekels. Paying the money is only at the courtroom, or actually with the clerk. You cannot pay by internet or by any other means. You have to go by yourself. I extremely suggest you use a credit card, not a check, and not cash. It's more work if you do by cash. They're going to send you to the post office. It's problematic. So use a credit card. It must be yours. There's no way to use a credit card from someone else. Another issue is who is the plaintiff and who is defendant. If you are the plaintiff, and we're talking about the plaintiff, it's very easy. You know who you are, you have an ID. The defendant, if you don't have his ID, don't present your case. You need an ID number. You need a passport number. And you need an address. Now, address is very problematic. Sometimes you have no address. You can't find the person. Doesn't matter, don't worry. You have to find in the Misrad HaPnim, the Minister of Interior, where he's registered. And wherever he's registered, that's the address that you're going to fill in the lawsuit. Now, if you don't have his ID number, you can also use the Minister of Interior and ask them to help you to find. It's free. Well, if you call 2 hours waiting in line free, it's free, but there are no fees. This is the first stage, the first rules that you have to know before you go. There are many more rules, and there'll be more short movies teaching you or guiding you through this process. I hope you have learned something, and if it's any more questions, specific questions you have, you can always email us.